I heard church bells ringing. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle on her finger. He placed the ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard the promise till death do us part. These words was a pain in my heart. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rights have been thrown over this. For them, life has just begun, and mine is ending.